Now, do you know what? This is the first time we've had this on the show from Cook's Essentials, our own brand. Yeah. So, how great are these
They're
strainers?
so clever, right? They're so clever.
Strainers.
Do you know, I love gadgets like this.
I'm going to get one to our table.
Yeah.
Just to feel. Just a second.
Just feel it.
Yeah.
Feel my strainer.
It's the usual thing you see in the kitchen.
Let's move on from the strainer. Right, so these strainers, I love these good gadgets, right? Because I'll tell you why. One, they don't take up any space. Half the size of a sieve, a third the size of a sieve. They're so versatile. So it's a lovely sort of silicone feel to them, right? And what's great about them is they fit on most size pots.
Okay.
So we've got two different size pots here. So we've just done this lovely seafood dish. We've got some mussels and prawns in there. We've got a lot of juice. We want to get that juice out. Now, normally you're going to go through the faff of trying to put it through a sieve. It's going to make a mess. This clips on, and you can see you get this really great. So have a look at this. You get this really lovely seal round here, right? So you've got so it seals against the saucepan. You've got this little spout, so when you pour it, you don't get any leakage out of that side, and you just get this lovely amount. Look at that.
This is excellent.
Straight through.
Yeah.
And it keeps everything in the pot as well, so you're not having to use different things, and we're not even pulling a mussel. I nicked that from the producer, they said it in my ear. I stole the joke, it was great. Right.
You know what I love as well, is that they're really firm, you know, so you've got that sense of confidence when you clip them on.
Yeah, they're really substantial, aren't they?
Yeah, what about if you're making sort of jams and stuff like that, where you want to have it, you know, you have it on other things, jugs or bowls?
Absolutely, I mean, that'd be great, pouring, you know, in the summer, summer's coming, you've got a jug of ice.
Big jug. Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
Perfect.
These are the most affordable piece in the whole hour. Look at this, it's £16.20, or you put that into the easy pays. That's 4 easy pays of £4.05. That's it. Get them in the baskets and try it. Because I bet when you get these back, you'll go, gosh, that was good. And you're getting 2 of these. Choose your colour between the blue or the black. Jill, you've got yours down there. Have you got one of these?
No, I've never seen anything like it. I love them.
Well, look, I mean, everyone makes pasta.
I love that. And I always burn my hands when I do it because I always have the hand over holding the lid on and it always the steam comes.
This is it. And so you end up blowing your hand, don't you, to try and get the steam off?
Yeah, or running the cold water.
So, look, so we've got pasta in here. You know, you're always doing pasta, we make a quick mac and cheese. But what I like is it saves on washing up because we've just done that. That going in dishwasher, no problem. Right, we've just emptied our water from the pasta, which do at home, a little cheese sauce, straight into there, and there's no faff, there's no aggro. So we mix that.